What's up, everybody? This is Panda. What's up, O'Brien? It is not fixed. The epoxy did not work. You know why it didn't work? Because we were in a very cool climate. And if we were in room temperature, we would have had a better chance at letting that rest and cured. But let me show you what I came up with. Let me show you. You guys are going to go really like, what the I came up with this idea. Check it. You see what I did? This is called a C-clamp. And I use these to go under. You can see there's a slight bent in that screw. As you can see, that's what I do. But it's just a temporary fix. Because you can see it's leaning still. You know? But there's a lot of pressure. And this is going to hold on Tuesday because we get a new wagon on Tuesday. Yep. The new wagon's coming in on Tuesday. It's not the same one, but we're going to try to get the wheels to fit on that particular wagon. I think we can. I think we could. It's possible. But yeah, right now it's actually leaning a little bit forward, as you can see, because it's slightly bented. Not sure you can see that, but it's slightly bented. So we're giving this a test run. This is the first test run. Yeah, I think my solution is better than epoxy. I just wasted money. And yeah, well, Henry's sister wasted the time to come out here to get it fixed. And she was like, it's better to just buy a new wagon. And I was like, telling her, I like to fix shit. I like to do DIY projects and have other people be inspired by it. She goes, I get it. So right now you can see it's actually crooked when it goes forward because of that wheel. It's slightly bent it in a little bit. But we can't do nothing about that. But my solution works much better than the epoxy, as you can see. And it only took less minutes than the epoxy. That epoxy wasn't sticking very well. That JB Weldon steel, yeah, not very good. Now we need to go charge batteries because we ran out of those 10,000 milliamp hour batteries. They are pretty good. We gotta charge them now tonight. It's gonna rain, but yeah, it's rolling. But you can see we're kind of tilting a little bit. Everyone's gonna be like, wow, that's a great fix. Look at that. That's a great fix. Look at that. Such a great fix, Egg. Lord Brian, look at that. Work of beauty. So you see how it's holding on to this? Yeah. So all together, it's wrapped around. But slightly leaning a little bit forward. Just slightly. But I digress. Just keep going. Just keep going. I had no time to like organize the cart because I really want to get going. And it's Valentine's Day. So for those that are celebrating Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. Henry's sister is so nice. Oh wow. He's overseas, guys, so, and he's back on the true East Coast. But yeah, she came through looking all panda. She's like, are you sure? And she's a smart woman, so she kept saying sure, and I was like, but you know me, I'm kind of determined to fix it without spending money. That was the whole main object, to not spend money. So setback, guys. We down to $0 now. Got no choice to buy the wagon and buy the epoxies and all this other stuff. Yeah, gloves and all that other stuff. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next live stream. Other people, guys, if you need a thermal, look, thermal everywhere. These guys throw thermal bottles out in here like it's gold. You know what I mean, people? People, look at that. Spice. Ooh, spicy. Oh yeah. What? I'm sorry, I'm taking this, guys. I like a little bit of spice. Yeah, I like a little bit of spice in my life. It's on the open too. I'm taking that. I'm added with my food. Bring the heat, I guess. But with that said, everyone, if you guys want to help get back to what the Amtrak funds are supposed to be, you can hear it making noise too. Yeah, it's making noise. It's rubbing against something. You guys cannot hear it, but I can hear it because my ears are really good. My eyesight is going pretty bad on my left eye. Might have to get some, because it's blurry. And that's because of allergies, maybe. The allergy season. Pollen in the air. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna need you guys to really help me rob this bank. We need my money back. We need to get out of San Francisco. I definitely need to head to Wisconsin, do the taxes, because I want to file my taxes. And you're right. Anyway, with that said, and I'm gonna get COVID tested again in a week from now. Be my 10th time getting COVID tested. I think it's every 2 weeks, 3 weeks I get tested. I see you guys in the next video. The wagon is temporary fix. This could be a permanent solution, but not like this. Right, pushing it crooked like this. Nah. With that said, everyone, eat safe, photography, videography, and repeat. I see ya.